D. So fixed point will come A and D. I will mark like that. Okay, this is our fixed point. So I'll choose one point as a fixed. Now I'm gonna look for point A. What is happening in point A? Okay. So at point A, my link is AB. Right? That means this is a circle. This is a circle. It's actually moving like this way, right?
Yes.
Good. Now, what is the velocity? If this finish in here, can I say the velocity is 90 degree to this one?
Yeah, tangent.
Tangent. Good. So now 90 degree is this much. I'm gonna draw a 90 degree line from here to here. What is this velocity? This is the velocity of BA link. Am I right? Or AB link. Why I put B first? B first because at B point.
You start with.
Okay, done. Now I finished A point. Okay, now what is the next fixed point? D. So we'll go to the D now. See, I'm always following the steps. Okay, so I'm gonna go D. At D point, what is happening? D point, this is my link. Okay, this is my link. So it makes a circle like this, right? Now think the mechanism. If this is going in this way, can I say this is also going in this way?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
Is it clear? That means the velocity I will get 90 degree here. 90 degree for here is definitely moving in this way.
They two must connect together. That's why.
Yeah, that's why. So what will be the velocity for that? VCD. Am I right? Okay, good. Now I have to draw. This is the linear velocity. So what is the formula for that? V equals R
Delta.
omega.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if I say I want to find out the velocity of AB, what I have to write? RAB omega AB. Okay. If I say I need to find out the velocity of CD, what I have to write? RCD omega CD. Clear? Up to this? Very good. Now I have to draw velocity diagram for this. And what is the center for this one? BC link. Let's say point B. That means if I go for point B, that means from here to here, this is my circle. Can anyone tell me which way it is going? Down or up?
Down.
What about I said up?
90 degree from link.
Yeah, 90 degree from link. Whether it's going up or down.
Down.
I doesn't. Let's say I don't know.
Because when you move this one this way,
It gets pushed like that way, right? It gets pushed here. So I don't know whether it's going up or down. Let's say we don't know. It can give a push downward, can give a push upward, right? In this, I have no decision. So if I don't have the decision, I will not do anything. Okay, let's come to this point, fixed point. So at point A, what is my velocity? This one, right?
Yes.
I'm drawing now velocity diagram. Okay, so whatever I will draw, it comes as a velocity. Okay, now think in this way. If I have a link, 90 degree of this one is a velocity, right? The red one is our velocity.
Yes.
Okay, if I want to bring this velocity in one point, so this is the 90 degree, right? So this is the 90 degree, this is the direction, I'm gonna bring it here. Can I do that?
yeah.
The same velocity I'm bringing in here. Okay, so now this is my velocity. I have to put this one in the fixed point.
Okay.
Okay, how I'm gonna do that? See, I have some techniques to do that. I always put my one of the line like where's the velocity is. Okay, then I have this one is how much? 90 degree, right?
Yeah.
Then I will bring my scale over here and place it. So can I say this is the exactly what I have drawn
VB.
here?
Yes.
VBA.
Yeah, correct.
Cleared? Now my A point is done. Finish. What point I have left? D point. So I have to bring this velocity in here, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna bring this velocity. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna place my scale here. Let me see properly. Yep. Then I'm gonna make a 90-degree line here, okay? And then 90-degree here. See here. Can I draw this one? Can you see this is exactly the same line?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I just level it CD? Understand? Okay. I'll come to that your one. So now I have finished the link. Yeah, you can see. You can see. Don't think that you're not allowed to watch. No, I will give you the lecture again definitely. So this is done. This is done, right?
Yes.
And these two are the velocity. Now in the question it says that can you see AB link is rotates at 120 RPM clockwise. Who rotates? AB. So NAB 120 RPM is given. Okay. So now I'll go VAB equals RAB and omega AB, right?
Yes.
So RAB, omega AB means twice pi NAB because it's RPM, minute
Over 60.
Over 60.
60. Okay. What is RAB? So what is the unit for this VAB? Meter per second.
meter per
Okay. Let's say meter per second. So that means what is the RAB value? Look at the diagram. RAB value is,
Millimeter. RAB.
yes, how much?
It was
It is
40.
40 millimeter.
Which was
Millimeter.
by 20.
Nah, scaling is not gonna
not
count.
part of a question.
Not a part of a calculation. Scaling is not part of our calculation. Okay, scaling is out. See, RAB is given into the question 40 millimeter, right? I said that everyone is a part of a circle. That means RAB is 40 millimeter. Okay, so millimeter, but my unit is in meter per second. So what I have to do? 40 divided by 1000 to make it meter, right? Clear?
Yeah.
And then multiplied by 2 pi. NAB is how much? 120 divided by 60. How much value? Do you have calculator? This one, very quickly. 40.
0.4.
No, 0.0. 0.5? Yeah, okay. I'm getting 0.5026 meter per second. Interesting number. So VAB value, linear velocity is I'm getting 0.052. 0.052. Can I draw 0.05? It is very hard.
0.5.
So, okay, sorry, 0.5.
We can't
From the
scale.
scale, I can't draw one. So why not I just make it as a scale? I'll multiply it by 10. Can I do that?
Scale.
So I scaled it. It's so small I can draw. Okay. So I scale it. So if I draw, if I multiply by the 10, how much I will get?
5.
5. Okay, let's keep 5 meter per second, right? Let's measure 5 meter per second. VAB value I know it is 5 meter per second. So this much is our 5. Can I say this is my point? So this much is our velocity of VA.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I don't know what is the velocity of CD. Nothing is given in the question. Okay. Now let's come to this BC link. Because I have done my part, nothing else. Now I have to start researching BC link. I don't know BC is going up or down, am I right?
Yeah.
And if you choose any point on the BC, let's say I choose this point. Or I choose this point, doesn't matter. If I choose this point, what is my 90 degree? If it is going down, 90 degree is here, right?
Yeah.
If it is going up, my 90 degree is here. Am I right?
Yep.
So this is for VBC, am I right? Understand? Can I draw the same thing over here? If I draw the same thing over here, I have to make my scale like that. Is it the same?
Yes.
So either it's going up or down, I don't know. VBC. If you ask me where is going up and down, I don't know. So now this is the kind of velocity I have like that, right? I want to bring check. Now I'm gonna check. Please look carefully. AB link and CD link is connected by which link? AB link and CD link is connected by
BC,
which
BC,
link?
BC.
BC link. That means AB velocity and CD velocity should be connected by velocity of CB, right?
Yeah.
Understand? So I have to bring this one in here. Okay? What I'm gonna bring? I'm gonna bring this line in the known point. What is my known point? My known point is here. Okay?
Yeah.
So how I'm gonna do that? I'll just make this one, make it a 90. This one gonna give me a nice picture, so I'll just do like that. So this is 90, right? Okay. And can I bring my velocity, because my known point is here, right? So I'm gonna place my scale here. Okay. Can I say this is the velocity of VBC?
Okay.
Understand? Understand what I have
If
done?
you choose this point, it will be same.
Same. Try. Don't believe me. Okay. Let's try. See, I'm gonna bring. I need to bring this one in here. See, same line. Am I right? Same. It's gonna come same. Now, I need to find out what is the velocity of VBA. VBA was original 1.5, right?
Yes.
I multiplied by 10, so my scale will be like that. Okay. Now, what is the velocity of CD? CD. Let's count. My CD is from here to this point. Sorry. CD is from here to here. Is 3.8. Okay. 3.8. So 3.8. Should I multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide, because I already take 10 scale.
Yes.
So I have to divide by which number?
10.
10. So I'm gonna get 0.38 meter per second. This is my answer. Okay. Now last part left. From this point to this point is 2. So VBC is 2
Divide by 10.
divided by 10. Perfect. 0.2 meter per second. This is the answer. Easy? Only one part left. The part is I have now the direction. Okay, this direction is fixed, right?
Yes.
This direction is fixed. I can't change that. Now, what is the vector formula? Vector formula saying if you start going from here, okay, in this way, if you go like this way, what is the formula for vector? You can't go, you can't come back here, right?
Yes.
What is the resultant? This is the tail, this is the head, right? And this is the tail, and this is the head. And now you have to go back to the tail
go to the
and here. So you can't draw. You can't draw in a. I can't draw like that. I have to take out my pencil when I'm drawing. So when I draw this one, take out the pencil out and then draw. This is the resultant, right? So this is the resultant. So if I draw here and then here, yes, this is my resultant, right? So now from this diagram I can tell this is actually going up, not down. Is it clear? So this is the all about velocity diagram. So can everyone please do that? Recreate. So that's why I told you to draw this one perfectly. If you have a problem in this diagram, your velocity diagram gonna be wrong. Okay?
So can you repeat that last things? How you know this is going up?
Okay, the triangle for vector rules, if you go in this direction, okay? If you go in this direction, your resultant should be from here to here,
Yeah.
not gonna be here.
Okay.
Okay? So now I'm going in this way. I'm going in this way, right? Now my resultant, my resultant is not in this way. My resultant should be in this way, right?
Yeah.
So now the direction I choose is right.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Good. So now can you please recreate the drawing again for me?
Yeah.
See, this is, if you understand